Now next bit is answer the following questions. First question. Why did the boys from villages and towns surrounding Kolkata come to the city? In the past, villages and towns surrounding Kolkata had no schools. Therefore, boys from such places would come to Kolkata for their education. Second question. At which station did the elderly gentleman board the train? At Arkola station, an elderly gentleman boarded the train. Third question. Why did he want to sit in the compartment taken up by the boys? He wanted to sit in that compartment because it was the only empty compartment. Why were the boys sad? The boys were sad because their favorite teacher had retired. At which station did the elderly gentleman get off the train to drink water? At Asansol, he got down to drink water. Who gobbled the eatables of the elderly gentleman? Name some of the eatables. The boys ate the laddus, rasgullas and gulab jamuns brought by the old gentleman. Whom did the boys blame for their mischief? The boys conveniently blamed the mice for their mischief. Why did the boys insist the elderly gentleman to sit with them? Feeling guilty for their past mischief of eating the gentleman's sweets, the boys insisted that the old gentleman sit with them. Why did the secretary of the school committee come to the station? The secretary of the school committee had come to the station to receive and pick up the old gentleman who was in fact the new Sanskrit teacher to join their school. Name the person who was taking up the post of the Sanskrit teacher. His name was Tarkalankar. So next bit here, some context is given here. How sad if I had known that mice were also travelling on this train. I would have brought some more snacks with me. The questions for this context is D bit. First one, A question. Who is the speaker and to whom is the statement addressed? The old gentleman to boys. Did the speaker really mean to carry food for the mice? No. He knew what had happened and made a sarcastic comment. Means just for fun he was saying. How did the boys behave with the old gentleman after this incident? They felt guilty about having eaten all sweets he had brought, so they were nice to him. They began to like him. Now second context, we will irritate the new teacher so much that he will be compelled to leave. Then the secretary will have to appoint you. If he doesn't, we will protest outside the school. You don't need to worry, sir. Who said these words and to whom were these words addressed? The boys said this to the gentleman when they realized he was a Sanskrit teacher. Next question. Why was the speaker keen on irritating the new teacher? They were keen on irritating their new teacher to make sure he quits. Who did they want as their new Sanskrit teacher? The boys wanted this gentleman to become their teacher because they liked them. Because they liked him. Now grammar better. In this we are going to learn about the verbs which refer to the present time are said to be in the present tense. So when we write the verbs in a present tense sentence, how we will write? We will observe here. Example, she is not here right now. Present tense means, present what we are doing, that is called as a present tense. So in such cases, what type of verbs, how we use the verb, we can learn here. She is not here right now. Is verb here. So here some sentences are given. We will observe whether they are having present tense verb. If not, we have to change it. We have to change and rewrite the sentence again. First one, she will need your help. Your verb is will. Okay, will is not used for the present tense. So here we have to replace this and we have to write the sentence, she needs your help. Next one, she was hurt. Was will be used in the past for the past tense sentence. That means which has already happened. So in the present tense, how we will write? She is hurt. The kitten was drinking milk from a bowl. Same here also. It is given verb which can be used for the past tense. So what we can write? What we have to write for the present tense? The kitten is drinking milk from a bowl. Take your notebook along with you. So this is in a present tense only. The train arrived on platform number 2. Arrived. It is not a present tense verb. What we had to write? The train arrives on platform number. The train arrives on platform number 2. I ate my lunch with my friends. Ate is used for the past tense. Okay. So what we had to write? I am eating my lunch with my friends. Joy finishes her meal every day. Finishes is the verb. It is in present tense. Good news is on its way. Is the verb here. It is in present tense. Next bit. Fill in the blanks in the next page. So we have to fill the blanks with the correct simple tense forms from the given options. We dash a beautiful fountain. See or saw? See. Saw is used for past tense. We like to dash fairy tales. Hear, heard. Hear. I like to hear fairy tales. Heard is used for past, which is completed. I do not drink milk. Drank is used for past tense. I do my homework on time. We can write both. I do or have done my homework on time. They are my grandparents. So children, here you can write only I do my homework on time. Have done is, it can be used in the past for the past tense sentence. It can be used in present perfect tense. We can write both. I do or have done my homework on time. They are my grandparents. Next, I speak English very well. He is in this shop. He is in this shop. My brother drops me every day at school. Okay, dropped is used for past. Was is also used for the past tense. Okay children, copy these bits and once go through the lesson reading again. Have a nice day children.